This video will show you how to set up the hardware for the METIS 3D Digital Heads-Up Module, or in short, METIS Heads-Up. In this video, we will demonstrate the following steps. 1. Dismounting the eyepiece head. 2. Dismounting the vertiscope. 3. Mounting the stereo camera unit. 4. Connecting the 3D monitor. And 5. Configuring the microscope. Let's go into step 1, dismounting the eyepiece head. To use the METIS 900 microscope with METIS Heads-Up, you must first replace the vertiscope and eyepiece head with the 3D stereo camera unit. Take the size 2 Allen key from the monitor trolley drawer. Using the Allen key, loosen the grub screw of the eyepiece head by rotating it in a counterclockwise direction. Take care not to unscrew it completely, but leave the screw in the vertiscope. Now, lift off the eyepiece head. Attach the dust cap to the eyepiece head using the fixation screw as shown. For safekeeping, store the eyepiece head in the monitor trolley drawer. Step 2. Dismounting the vertiscope. Firstly, loosen the 2 screws of the USB camera plug, using a screwdriver if required. Now, unplug the camera, leaving the plug attached. Loosen the grub screw of the vertiscope in a counterclockwise direction using the Allen key. Now, take off the vertiscope from the microscope. Attach the front dust cap of the vertiscope by fastening the other grub screw, which is still inserted. And finally, store the vertiscope in the monitor trolley drawer for safekeeping. Step 3. Mounting the stereo camera unit. First, take the stereo camera unit and the knurled screw from the monitor trolley drawer. Place the stereo camera unit on the dovetail connection of the microscope. Next, ensure that the edges of the stereo camera unit are aligned with the microscope. Insert the knurled screw into the hole at the front of the stereo camera unit. Now, gently tighten the knurled screw by hand in a clockwise direction. You must make sure that the stereo camera unit sits tightly on the microscope now. You should not be able to move it or lift it off. Next, align the bayonet slot of a CXP plug with a CXP connector of the stereo camera unit. Now push the CXP plug onto the CXP connector and turn it clockwise to lock. The plugs and connectors are interchangeable. To make sure that the connector is locked safely, gently pull the plug. It should not come off. To complete this step, repeat the same process with the second CXP connector. Step 4. Connecting the 3D monitor. To connect the 3D monitor cable to the video adapter of the MCOM PC, go to the back of the PC or MIOS 6 unit, where you will find the adapter to the right side, as shown here. Now, check that the plug of the HDMI video cable is properly connected to the 3D monitor. It should lock when fully inserted into the video adapter. Finally, connect the 3D monitor power cable to a power socket. Step 5. Configuring the microscope. First, switch on the METIS 900 microscope and the 3D monitor. After a short booting time, the status and configuration will display on the MIOS touchscreen. Now we need to check that the configuration is correct. The digital microscope with MIOS 6 and METIS Heads-Up configuration should be displayed as valid with all the green ticks, as shown here. If this is not the case, check that the cable connections are properly attached as explained in the previous steps. Now activate the configuration. The microscope's Configuration Check warning message at the top of the screen will disappear in the next step. Click the digital microscope with MIOS 6 and METIS Heads-Up module button, followed by Apply and Reboot, and Confirm. Now, reboot your METIS Heads-Up. After rebooting, the digital microscopy image will appear on the 3D monitor. Please note, it is important to perform weight balancing after replacing the analog oculars with 3D stereo camera, and vice versa, to avoid unwanted microscope movements when the brakes are released. Your conversion to METIS heads-up is now complete. Please perform the functional tests as described in the IFU before first use. For more information about METIS heads-up, please visit our website by scanning this QR code. Thanks for watching.